Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove email from Roblox account and is it possible? Well, basically here on your Roblox, you can just change your email address, but unfortunately you cannot delete or you cannot leave this box email as empty. In order for you to do that, if in order for you to change your email address, all you have to do is tap on the three dots above and then locate your email, and here you can change your email. So basically, under account info, once you have located your email address, you will see an editor pencil icon. You can only replace or remove the email address, like the original email address, and replace with a new one. Enter a new email address to replace the current one. Roblox will send a verification to the new email. Enter the code to confirm the change. Again, you cannot leave the email field blank, but you can use an alternate or temporary email if you want to remove your primary one. Once changed, enable two-step verification with the new email. This keeps your account secure. So again, if you like to remove your Roblox email account, you cannot. This is not to mislead you or misinform you. This is just to show you that you can remove your email address by replacing a new one, but you cannot let it empty or you cannot let the email section empty. And basically, that's how easy it is to remove email from Roblox account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.